Hi, in this video, we're going to be showing how to set up auto tracking in Vitek's Transcendent software. We'll be using the VT-TBTZ 23HRAN-APNS camera, as well as the VT-TNR 818 PFN NVR. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and click on our menu, go into camera and click on PTZ. From here, we're going to make sure that our camera is selected. And our name of our camera is PTZ camera. Once that's confirmed, on the left-hand side under PTZ, we're going to click on Smart Tracking. Once we're in that menu, once again confirm our IP camera is selected. Next up, we're going to confirm that our PTZ is an auto tracking priority. From here, you can change the still time. For our purposes, we're going to keep it at 8 seconds. And then click Apply. Under AI Events, you're going to click on More. Go to Line Crossing. And then we're going to make sure you enable detection by IPC. Once again, we're going to move our line. You can keep the same line if you want. We just readjusted our line for our line crossing, and then confirm our duration. You can change your direction. We're going to keep it bi-directional. Next up, make sure your trigger track is checked, and then you're going to go ahead and click Apply. Once that's successfully saved, we can go ahead and test it out. We're going to have a colleague walk through the target, and once that triggers that line crossing, the camera automatically starts tracking that person. As you can see here, it starts to follow them. As the camera tracks the person and it moves behind the car, it kind of stays there, trying to make sure that there's nobody else moving. And once that person pops up again, you can see the camera catches them and once again starts tracking them.